Hi, today I'm going to show you how to do pump down to a single split aircon. First you have to turn on the indoor unit on cooling mode, and then when you can see the compressor is on, you can open the access valves and put your manifold in the unit, and then you can open the nuts for the Allen keys by using your spanner. And then here you can see compressor is running at the moment, and then you have to turn off the discharge line first and then wait for a minute. Automatically pressure is come down to 0, so we have to fast and efficient at this moment. And then when pressure come down to 0, then you can shut down Allen key for section 1 as well, quickly as you can. And then after you shut down, just turn off from the isolator, isolate the power, that's all. Then you can remove your manifold. Thanks for watching my video, hope you love it.